Can an LLC and business name be different? Yes. Your LLC's legal name does not have to be the same as the name you use to market your business. The legal name is what you register with the state when forming your LLC, but you can operate under a different name by filing a doing business as, DBA, or trade name. For example, your LLC might be registered as Smith Holdings LLC, but you could file a DBA to operate as Smith's Coffee Shop. This allows you to keep your legal structure intact while branding your business with a more customer-friendly name. It's important to file the DBA with your state or county and make sure no one else is already using that name. Using a DBA without registration could lead to fines and make it harder to open a business bank account or sign contracts under your brand name. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and register a DBA so you can operate under the business name you want. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.